Radio ads, TV commercials, and social media are all great, but one channel people often overlook is online media features. Getting your brand on major Nigerian blogs and news sites can massively boost your visibility, credibility, and trust. And this isn't just theory. At Blastily, we've helped authors, executives, and startups secure features on platforms like TechCabal, Business Day, Vanguard, and The Guardian, and we've seen firsthand how those features drive real business results. So today, let's break down step by step how you can get your brand featured, even if you're starting from scratch. Part 1. Why getting featured online matters. Did you know that over 84 million Nigerians are active internet users? And a Statista report shows that online news platforms are now trusted as much as traditional newspapers among urban millennials. Here's the kicker. According to Nielsen's Global Trust in Advertising survey, earned media, that's coverage you didn't pay for, is trusted nearly 3x more than paid ads. That's why getting your brand mentioned on sites like TechCabal or Business Day is not just nice to have, it builds instant credibility, especially if you're an expert, an author, or a growing business. At Blastily, we've seen startups land investors after being featured in TechCabal, and executives close high-value speaking gigs after a Business Day profile. Part 2. Step by step, how to get featured. Step 1. Define your story. Journalists don't want ads, they want stories. Ask yourself, are you solving a real problem in your industry? Did you launch something innovative or different from the norm? Do you have unique insights that genuinely matter to the public? Here's the key. Instead of saying, we launched a product, reframe it into, here's how this product is changing how Nigerians shop online. That's what turns a pitch into a story worth covering. At Blastily, we help brands shape their raw ideas into compelling narratives that actually get journalists interested. That's why we've been able to secure coverage for founders, startups, and SMEs across respected platforms like TechCabal, Business Day, and The Guardian Nigeria. Step 2. Target the right outlets. Not all blogs are created equal. TechCabal great for tech startups and founders. Business Day and The Guardian perfect for executives, finance, and thought leadership. Industry-specific blogs if you're in fashion, health, or media, niche sites work wonders. Pick 2 to 3 outlets where your audience already hangs out, don't spray and pray. Step 3. Craft a pitch journalists will actually open. Here's a stat. 45% of journalists say they receive over 50 pitches a day. Most get ignored. So, what makes yours stand out? Keep your subject line short and newsy. Lead with data, insights, or a hook. Example, instead of introducing my company, say how Lagos startups are reshaping Africa's food delivery, local founder shares insights. Step 4. Build relationships, not one-off asks. Journalists are people. At Blastily, we've built long-term relationships with editors across Nigeria, which is why when our clients pitch, doors open faster. Step 5. Track and repurpose your features. Don't just celebrate the article, use it. Share it across LinkedIn, Instagram, and newsletters. Add a featured in section on your website. Turn quotes from the article into graphics. Wrap up a CTA. So let's recap. Define your story. Pick the right outlets. Pitch smartly. Build relationships. Repurpose your features. If you're busy or unsure where to start, Blastily can help. We already know the editors, the platforms, and what works. White right pointing backhand index. Visit blastily.com or email us at hello@blastily.com to get your brand featured on Nigerian blogs and news sites. And if you found this guide useful, hit like, drop a comment telling us which blog you'd love to be featured on, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insider PR tips.